How to use Microsoft Bookings and Outlook. In this video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Bookings and Outlook. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Outlook on the web. So go to outlook.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Now in the left navigation pane, click on the calendar icon which you'll find below Mail. And then from here, you can go ahead and find this Go to My Booking Page button. So click on it, and that will take you to bookings. So in here, you can go ahead and create a personal booking page and shared booking pages. So for the personal booking page, these are the services that you can offer to your clients personally and one-on-one. Now for the shared booking pages, these are the services that you can offer to your clients by group with your group as well. And then inside this booking pages, you can go ahead and add the services, add staffs, add customers, set the booking page, edit your business information, and integrate applications. And that is how you can basically use Microsoft Bookings in Outlook. So all bookings made through your page are automatically added to your Outlook calendar and you'll receive email notifications for each appointment. You can reschedule or cancel directly from Outlook. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.